Hey guys, how you doing? Thank you for tuning into a brand new video. So today, just a quick little session. Well, I shouldn't say little, but it's a $40 session. We got two of these $20 tickets, 215 million cash explosion. LV Huso did a whole book on these, and it was pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Good return. I enjoyed it. So we got tickets 25 and 26. So he inspired me to go buy some more. And pack number 47,000. So that's actually really good. The odds are going to be 1 in 3.09. Yes, 1 in 3.09. Went up to $2.5 million. Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day today. And let's get started. So it's going to be a match and win. And then if you find a money bag, $100 instantly. And then 20x is, well, you guessed it, 20 times your prize. Let's do it. We'll see if Chris's lucky green Georgia Lottery coin brings us any luck today. Oh, a lot of fours. A lot of fours, a lot of twos. All right, let's get a lucky swig in. Then let's go. Get that lucky tap. All right, let's do it. A 5. 40. 43. 35. Easy on. 30, 50, 34, so no 30s. A lot of weird looking numbers in here. Just a regular 4, no. 18, 33, 8, 42, that's gotta be a winner. Nope. 10, 17, 25, we got 45, 24, we got 23, 15, we got 14, 19, 26, 28, 37, and a 9. That one's a dud. All right, moving on to 26. All right, can we get 26 on 26 or 26 on 26? Let's find out. 26, 30, 21, 12, 10, 4, and 24. It's going to be right here. Well, it's a one off. That's a good way to start. 45, 36, 20 deuce, 18, E7, a 6. No, nothing so far. Come on. 27. 49. All right, 2 rows left. 29. 34. 23. A 39. 11. All right, come on. Last row. 43. A 50. An 8. 33. And for $2.5 million. 16. That's not good. That's not going to do it. So that's a bummer, but it's okay. Like I said, just a quick little session, but there was $40 gone in just 3 minutes. That's crazy. So if you guys did enjoy, please leave a like rating down below. And as always, take care, stay tuned. And of course, we'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.